fire gutted a family home near Brisbane, and no one thought that the pets would actually survive. But out of the wreckage, 4-year-old Kelpie Cross
just been pulled out of a house fire.
The worst thing about house fire victims is quite often the signs get worse as the hours go by. She looks a little bit worse to me than when I saw her before they put the nasal line in, but it's really hard just to watch. She's really starting to struggle with her breathing. She really got to a point today where I thought we were going to need to put her on a ventilator to breathe for her. I'm not getting my hopes up.
Hey, Minnie. Minnie. Hey, sweetheart. Are you awake? Are you sleeping? Okay. Are you awake? Or are you just ignoring me? Minnie. Oh, sweetheart.
I think she's just had such a rough 24 hours. It's almost like she doesn't really want to be bothered these days. Yesterday she couldn't even lie down because she was having so much trouble with her breathing. Today she's relaxed, she's lying down more, but she's also kind of much more just not wanting to be bothered with anything. So we'll probably just let her rest, but she's definitely on the improve.
Just sweetheart.
So we're going to take her out for a walk. She's actually been for a couple of walks today, and it's really good just to get her up and moving, but not beyond what she's capable of. But when she's in the cage, she's quite introverted, she's not really interacting, and it's important to get her out, start thinking about the outside world again. So we'll take her out and see what she does. Hey, see if she'll go to the toilet. We kind of forget about the trauma that she's been through. So she heard a loud bang, which is when the explosion happened in the house, and she ran and hid in the sofa, and then obviously a lot of scary things happened after that, the smoke and all the fire engines and so forth. So she's been through a lot of trauma as well as physically. Although the physical injuries will take a while to heal, the mental trauma may take even longer for her. She just wants to go home. It's kind of sad if you think about it, because most of the other patients will, we're looking for the day when they can go home, and for her, she doesn't really have a home to go home to anymore. And so, I don't know, it's kind of sad. Back to bed. I just don't like it.
We
fold it back.
There we go. You get to see the world.
Is that better? Like that?
It's like, oh my God, you can see stuff.
Oh, that's better.
There's people everywhere. Mummy is home, right?
Yeah.
She likes pats.
So we're going to try Henny with some chicken. She hasn't been that interested before now, but we'll see if she'll eat some for us. She's happier without that collar on as well, aren't she?
What do we got here? What do we got here? Do you want to try a little bit? A little bit? Oh, good girl.
Sometimes with patients like this, it's literally a matter of sitting with them and just hand feeding them bits of really tempting food like warm chicken. This even smells good enough to eat.
Hey, isn't it? You're very gentle. Aren't you? A bit more? Oh, good girl. Good girl.
She doesn't want us going anywhere near her eyes. Her eyes are still definitely the most painful part for her at the moment. And we've had to keep her eyes lubricated, but what it means is every time we go anywhere near them, she thinks we're going to put drops in her eyes. So just trying to rebuild that trust with her is, this is the kind of thing we'll do to establish that.
Want to try and eat it yourself?
Good girl.
You're a very gentle eater.
So it's been an incredible journey for Henny. She's been almost a week in the ICU, but the day is finally here where she's ready to go home. And I think she's sleeping at the moment, but we're going to go and have a look.
Are you ready to go home? Hey.
This really is the point where it's really good for her to get home. You can see that she's just not wanting to be here anymore. And I think the sooner that we get her out here, the sooner we get her back with her family, is going to be the best for her, because she's, in herself, she's doing pretty well, but I think psychologically, she needs to be back home. Don't you?
Well, have a look behind you, Lee. Have a look behind you.
Here she is. Alex, just if you could explain the extent of injuries that beautiful Henry endured.
Yeah, so Henry suffered from severe smoke inhalation. She had damage to her lungs, some ulceration on her eyes as well. She's just an incredible dog. We didn't know if she was going to make it through it, but the vets, the nurses here, they never gave up on her. And just this moment to be able to reunite her with Lee, it's just incredible. It's just been such an emotional roller coaster for this family, but they lost everything, and we were just determined that they weren't going to lose their dog. So.